Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another pop-up DIY video. I want to thank y'all for clicking on this video so very much. I am coming to you all today to show you how to make a pair of key charm earrings. Okay, key charm earrings. This pop-up special was inspired, I'm gonna say a while ago, and I'm just getting around to getting it up, done, and posted. So let's get into what you all are going to need for this DIY. First of all, y'all, I love this outdoor indoor gloss acrylic paint, and I get this from Walmart. Every now and then they'll run sales on this, but this paint, y'all, this gloss paint is the best, because the one thing I like about this paint is that once you put it on, you get a beautiful, nice shine with it. And it's by Apple Barrel or whatever, whoever they call, but that's who this is by. I really love this paint. So you're going to need one of these. You're also going to need some EARINGS original tacky glue, y'all. I love this stuff right here. This stuff is awesome. It really bonds, like it really bonds fabric, okay? It's good to me. It's best for fabric and using fabric and wood together. So you're going to need one of these. Y'all go check out the Dollar Tree, because every now and then the Dollar Tree will have these in their store, okay? You're going to need 2 fish hooks. You're going to need your choice of fabric, and my choice of fabric is some denim. And basically all I did was measure out my wood pieces to my denim, okay? You're going to need 2 pieces of wood. I got from Michael's, and they come in a set of 3. So I have this pair, and I have another pair. Okay, so they come in a set of 3, and it may be like $1 and some change. Okay, you get 3 of these, and these are wood. Okay, and I just figured I would bring y'all something totally different. Okay, you're also going to need a Sharpie. You're going to need of course, a paintbrush. My little small paintbrush. I couldn't find my other one, y'all. Scissors, some gloves. And these are the charms. I got these charms from Joann's Fabric. Joann's Fabric, y'all know they always run an awesome sale. I may have spent like $1 and some change for these charms. The original price, I know for a fact, maybe $4 or $5 or something like that. Y'all, when they run those sales, use those coupons and go get your stuff, because Michael's and Joann's and all those other stores, they have really, really nice stuff. But sometimes y'all know the prices be a little high, okay? All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the very first thing that I am going to do is I am going to trace my key on my fabric, okay? Now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to trace it, but I'm going to cut those little edges off, because I want the edges to show. And so I'm going to just trace it and pretty much show y'all what I'm going to do. And don't worry about if you know, while you're tracing it, if you get any mark or anything, because we're going to paint the key. The key is going to be painted, okay? And I'm going to be putting this on both sides of my key. It's going to have fabric on one side and fabric on the other side. Okay? I'm using this black marker because I'm doing this on denim. And I need to be able to see something that's a little bit darker for me to see. I could have used something lighter, but all I had was a black Sharpie. So this will work. So this is it right here, y'all. And I'm just going to, and I'm not, like I said, I'm not really going to worry about the edges, because I'm going to cut those off. Yeah, I'm going to cut those edges off, okay? And I'm just going around tracing it to make sure that I have it to my liking. Now the next thing I'm going to do with this, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. You actually want this part of your key to be smaller than this part, okay? Because when you trace it, it's much bigger, but you want it to be smaller. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to cut my key out. Okay, so I'm going to go inside, not outside the line. I'm going to go inside the line because I want it to be smaller. Okay. And I hope everybody is having a wonderful and awesome week. Time is going by so quick, y'all. Like when I say quick, I mean quick. And then I'm just going to go down just like that. And you're going to do this for both pieces of your key. And then what I'm going to do with this part right here is I'm going to fold this part just like this. I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and go on the inside, and I'm going to finish cutting out my shape just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, y'all, so you know, don't stress about it if it's not perfect. Okay, go all the way around. I just want y'all to actually just see this whole process that's taking place. I'm going to snip that off. And this is pretty much what you are going to have, okay? And like I said, it's not going to be perfect, so don't trip about it. And what you can do is you can put it over top to see where it's going to fall on your key, okay? And that's it. Because like I said, I cut the sides off because I want them to show, okay? So you cut out both of those pieces. So now we're going to go to step 2. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm sorry if my lighting is not really all that great right now. I'm hoping y'all can still see what I'm doing. So the next thing we're going to do is put on your gloves, and we're going to go ahead and start painting our key all black. And it doesn't really matter. You want to paint the whole entire key. You want to get the sides of it, all that good stuff. I couldn't find my, I got so much. I still got a bunch of stuff packed up, y'all. A bunch of my craft stuff packed up from when I moved, because I wasn't trying to drag all that stuff out. I got so much stuff. So that's why I'm using this little tiny incy wincy paintbrush. Okay, so we're going to do the whole entire key. From finish to start. Flip it over, do the other side, and then we're going to let it dry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go ahead and go to part 3. Okay, y'all, so our keys are dry. And here they are. And they're dry on both sides. So the next step that we are going to do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add on our glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a generous amount on my key. Okay. And I have my glove on. All right, this might be enough. And I'm just going to take my glove and just rub it. And the thing about this EARINGS glue is that it dries, it pretty much, I think it dries clear. I'll put a little bit right here. Oops. All right. And then I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to place it right over top, just like that. Okay. Clean that off right there. And that's one part of my key. And I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to repeat the process. Same exact way. And this time I'm putting it on my finger. So I won't be using too much. When it squirts out, y'all, sometimes it squirts out. Okay. And then I'm going to put my other piece. Take off my glove now. On this side right here. Just like this. Okay, and clean that off. It's just glue. It's not gonna hurt anything. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is what your earring, key earring is going to look like. I'm going to stress the edges of this. So I'm just going to take my finger and go around just like that to give it a real different type of look. I'm going to do that all the way down. And you're going to do it on both sides. And then, you know, you want to go in and try to clean it up as much as you can. So right now I'm distressing it to give it a different look. Now this one I didn't cut, so I'm going to cut that because that's a little. There you go. Okay, and then basically all you do now, you clean it up. And this is the look that I want for my key, my ring. And so we're going to go ahead and go off to the next part. Okay. And the next part requires me adding on my charm. And like I said before, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to use my round nose pliers. And I never used these before, so everything is still intact. And I'm going to open. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my charm. Now, I had to, these are aluminum jump rings. These are really big, like these are huge. I thought that I could use this jump ring right here, but unfortunately I can't. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this jump ring right here and these aluminum wire. Like I said, I got these also from Joann's Fabric some time ago. I don't know if they still sell these or sell this type of stuff, but anyway, so I'm gonna put this on my jump ring, my key. Then I'm gonna add my charm, slap my charm on there, and then I'm gonna close it, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this jump ring right here and I'm going to put this jump ring, add this jump ring onto the large jump ring. Wait a minute, let me do this the correct way. Just like that. And I'm going to close this. Okay. Then, last but not least, I'm going to add my fish hook. Add my fish hook. Okay. And y'all gonna have to excuse my fingers and hands and stuff because I got paint and all that stuff on my hands. Okay, and so here you have your, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here is our end result of our earrings. Okay, pretty much if you want to, you can add some flat pearl beads. You can paint this a little bit more if you would like. You can really make this whatever you would like it to be. This is pretty much it. This is just me showing you a different way to use these wood keys. And like I said, everything pretty much that I purchased to make these, I purchased from Joann's Fabrics and Michael's, okay? I want to thank you all for watching this video today. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified, okay? I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your week. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.